2017 Indian Roadmaster in for a 6-speaker audio build. This is one of the gentlemen that jumped on our Black Friday deal, and yes, the sun again, no sunglasses. One of these days I'm gonna get smarter. Maybe one of y'all will send me a set of sunglasses to put in these videos. Hint, hint, Fred, Kev, BC, any of you guys, Mike. Let's talk about this bike and then get it in the bay and torn apart, because we're gonna knock this one out real quick for our customer. 2017 Roadmaster. This is the first year of the Ride Command, so they're out Ride Command 1.0. But starting at the front, we're going to be putting a Arc Audio PSM Pro up here, FLX 1400 amplifier from Cicada Audio up on the bottom side, small fairing spacer up. In the fairing, we're going to do the Cicada Audio CHX 5 1/4. That's a compression horn pro coaxial horn speaker. Then he brought us the OEM 6.5-inch lids. We're going to be putting the CXX 6.5s here. In the tour pack, the CXX 5 1/4 there. So pro coaxial horns in the front, pro coaxials in the rear, all carbon fiber. They're going to look good, sound good, and this bike's going to be one heck of an upgrade, going from the 2-speaker to a 6-speaker with a 1404. Before we get this bike completely buttoned up, I wanted to show you all how it looks behind the scenes. I know y'all want to see that. So CHX 5 1/4 sitting up here, our custom crossovers right there. Then back up in there is our DSP, looking nice and tight up in there. Other CHX, our 1400.4 is tucked up nice and neat up in there with our power speaker wires, our remotes up there, our preamp harness, everything's up in there, nice and tight. Oh, actually, here you go. There's our DSP, sitting nice and snug as a bug in a rug. Power ground going all the way down the backbone, got the cover back on here. Upgraded 1/0 ground to here, amplifier ground there, speaker wire, power, and our other speaker wire down here, fuse holder here on a custom 3D printed bracket, OEM lids with our 3D printed adapter on here, all following OEM wire truss. Was I thinking of solder to there, CXX is in the tour pack. This build is getting wrapped up. Customer's gonna pick it up here soon, so we're gonna final tune and get it out here. We've got this bike all wrapped up. Please don't, just ignore that lighting. All right, this phone's old. We've got some issues that we're getting a new one. So this 2017 Roadmaster is all wrapped up for the 6-speaker build. Let's show you the bike, because the other side of our camera should be better, and wrap up this video. Again, this Roadmaster is all wrapped up like we've showed you all before. We've showed you the during, before, after, the whole 9 yards, but Arc Audio PSM Pro up here behind the Ride Command. Cicada Audio FLX 1400.4 here. In the fairing, the compression horn pro coaxials, CHXs. The lids are the CXX 6.5s OEM lids, our 3D printed adapter. We'll show you all that again. Right there. So it takes that goofy 5-bolt pattern to a 4-bolt, like every speaker. CXX is in the tour pack, OEM wiring, OEM mounting. So yeah, that's the build. So let's give you all an audio demo real quick, because this customer is ready to get up on out of here. And again, I mean, I was talking about, I love on the Classics that they did this backlit red. Looks amazing. I just like it. It's cool.
What if it was like you surprise, gon' shine, we don't die, so alive, oh my God, it's so fine, and don't rival, go time, and it's post time, when the spirit comes, all people, south side to the South Asia, I want city soul, they gon' know this shit. Light it, remind me. If you looking for it, you know where to find me. You ain't paying for me, so you can't decline me. Can't go till the devil get behind me. Right, throw it up, can't throw it up. Break bread with my people, we gon' pull it up. If your price too high, you ain't been low enough. If you ain't had an ooh wee, then you can't run with us. What's the word? Look alive, what's the business? Ooh wee. Can't believe God did it. Ooh wee. Love forgive me, I was tripping. Ooh wee. Not by power, not by power, not by power.
You gotta go all the way back for y'all. We're just gonna go back, I think, roughly 100 feet. right, this is where I tell you that it sounds absolutely amazing. We're going to see what the customer's thoughts are, but guess what? Customer's already here. I've spoken with him. But you know what? Let's get his thoughts on the system.
Holy Spirit, by your spirit, with me.
Customer is here to pick up his beautiful 2017 Roadmaster Classic. Again, we did the 1404 all-car audio PSM Pro, compression horn pros in the fairing, CXXs in the lids in the tour pack for a complete 6-speaker system. We'll see what his thoughts are on it.
Unbelievable. It's unmatched. Great.
Good dealing with us, easy.
Oh man, customer service is second to none.
We got him in here and got him back out so him and his wife can get back to Alabama. It doesn't matter if customers are local, 4 hours. We've had customers ship bikes from across the country. Absolutely love every single opportunity. So, sir, again, thank you so much.
Thank you.
We're going to let him get down the road. So if you're looking for the best aftermarket audio solution for your Indian, we've got a couple of them here. Harley, Victory, Motorcycle, period. Come check us out in beautiful Panama City, Florida. We'd love the opportunity to take care of y'all. God bless all of you and have a nice day.